Hi everyone, Julie Jockelle, real estate agent in Irvine, California. Today I'm at Del Mar Beach. This is a dog beach where you can, I guess, let dog loose on the beach. It's about 68 miles away from Irvine, and what a gorgeous day. So this Thanksgiving, I have a lot to be thankful for, and one of them, of course, is the family. What a wonderful day, and a best way to spend some time with the family.
Interesting thing happened on the beach. So there's our dog Miles. Initially, we had him on the leash. He was whimpering. He wanted to run. He wanted to go to see other dogs. He wanted to go explore. But we were a little afraid that he's going to run away, and on the vast beach, it's going to be hard to get him back. But eventually, we let him off the leash. And guess what happened? He didn't run away. He would go out a little bit, explore, and then he would come right back. He would not go out of our sights. That's interesting. So my 16-year-old son said this. Said, "See, Mom, this is like our teenager. We want freedom. We want to go out, explore. We want the idea of freedom. We want the idea of being able to decide for ourselves. But once we really do have the freedom, we're not just gonna treat it as a right to do as what we please, but an opportunity to do what's right. We're not gonna be reckless." Just like Miles, he knows his boundaries. He will come back to us. I thought that was insightful. 那今天在这个海滩上面呢，刚开始的时候，这个小狗，我们这个小狗呢是在历史上面，那它呢就想挣脱，想跑出去跟其他的小狗去玩。那我们就害怕它跑远了，跑丢了怎么办？那我的儿子呢，16岁的儿子就跟我讲，就是说，妈妈呀，像我们这个年轻人一样，我们这些 teenager 也都想不被束缚，也想要自由。但是其实你要是给了我们自由呢，让我们独立思考，去辨别是非的话，我们呢也是会希望自己能够把握好机会，而且为自己能够做出一些好的决定而自豪的。我听到这番话以后呢，感到特别欣慰。我觉得真的是他长大了。Anyways, a dog beach like this one around Irvine, we have 7 or 8 of them. The closest one being the Newport Beach, Corona Del Mar State Beach, Balboa Island, Balboa Peninsula Park, Long Beach, Huntington Beach, Laguna Beach or Crystal Cove. 那离我们尔湾比较近的一些可以带着爱犬来玩的海滩呢，还真的不少，有7、8个。离我们最近的大概开车也就是20分钟。那个是新港的这个 beach， 旁边呢还有 Balboa 小半岛。Corona Del Mar State Beach, Huntington Beach, Long Beach, Crystal Cove， 这个很多间。This dog beach is really a heaven for these dogs. Their tails just won't stop wagging. They're having such a good time. Anyways, this is our Thanksgiving Day, part of it. I wish everyone have a great Thanksgiving. 祝大家呢有一个非常美满的感恩节。 Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. If you need to buy or sell real estate in Irvine, California, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. 谢谢您的收看。如果您喜欢这个视频的话，帮我点个赞，订阅。而且，如果您需要在加州尔湾买卖房地产的话，一定来找我哦。谢谢您的收看，下期再见。